Welcome back to another Windows 11 customization video. In today's guide, I will show you how to completely transform Windows 11 desktop using Windhawk, a custom theme, and modern file explorer, and a stylish taskbar setup. We will go step by step to install SecureUxTheme, apply the Xeon theme, config resource redirect, and custom icons, improve file explorer visual, and even move the taskbar to top the screen. Don't worry if some icons don't proper currently at first. We will fix that too. Before we begin, make sure to create a system restore point so you can safely revert any changing if needed. Let's get started. Before making any sense, create a restore point. This allows you to restore Windows if anything goes wrong during customization. Extract the SecureUxTheme. Cut the folder and paste it inside your C drive. Now open the SecureUxTheme folder. Right-click Theme tool and click Run as Administrator. Click two boxes. After restarting, unzip theme folder. Open theme folder. Copy the custom theme files. Open this PC. Open C drive, Windows. Resources, themes. Paste the copied theme file here. Go back to the SecureUxTheme folder. Right-click Theme tool and choose Run as Administrator. Select the Xeon theme and click Apply. Your custom Windows theme is now applied. Thing is changing and beautiful. Open Windhawk. Since I already have it installed, I will simply open and minimize it now. Open the theme folder again. Open the wallpaper folder. Choose the wallpaper. Right click it, set as desktop background. Open the icon pack folder. Copy the icon pack folder. Paste it into your document folder. Open the icon folder and copy its address path. Open Windhawk. Search for resources redirect and install it. Open its setting. Paste the copied folder path into theme paths. Save the settings and close Windhawk. Open Explorer and check the icons. If some icons don't appear currently, don't worry. Disable folder thumbnail preview. Run as administrator. Reopen Explorer. This icon should now display properly. Extract the blur mecha. Release folder. cut and paste it into your document folder. Open the config. And register the effect. Now open Windhawk again. Search for Taskbar on top for Windows 11. Install and enable the mode. Your taskbar will now move to the top, giving Windows a unique and modern appearance. Now RAM monitoring. That's it for today's Windows 11 customization tutorial. With Windhawk, custom themes, icon, blur effect and a redesigned taskbar, your desktop now look completely different. If you enjoyed this guide, leave a like, subscribe for more customization videos, and I will see you in the next one.